Shinso Sasageyo. Yeah, this is the shirt that you were waiting for. It has the Scout Regiment right here, shield over here, and also right here where your heart is, which I think is the super cool thing about this one. It comes in multiple sizes and colors. I do like this one, of course. It is super nice and it fits perfectly. I'm 5'10", I weigh 190 pounds, and this right here is the size large. So you can see that it fits really nice. It's not super kind of like tight, and it's not super baggy as well, like loose. A little bit right here on the belly, and that's it. But you can see that it's a little bit kind of like tight right here on the upper side of my back over here. But also, if you want to get super cool with another good one, hear me out. This is a really good one. Another Scout Regiment right here with your heart edge, which I think it's fantastic. But of course, it has the kind of like iconic Attack on Titan on the sleeve over here, and as well as this one with the same type, with the same font, and the same thing right here on my back, which I think it's so fantastic. This is the long sleeve. It doesn't come in many colors, just this one color, but this is the size large. So again, one more time, I'm 5'10", 190, and this is the size large over here. But if you want to go for the extra mile, you gotta do it with style. This super nice hoodie over here that also has the Scout Regiment everywhere. That's another good one. So you have it in the back over here with a really nice hoodie, as you can see over here. So that's a good one. And of course, it has it on the sleeve and on your heart over here to salute your Scout Regiment command. These are fantastic. I love it. For every Attack on Titan fan, these are a must-have.